Who are you? Merry Christmas, stay healthy, and enjoy some time with your family. I'm back on social media again with a challenge. I have been gone from social media due to my coffee break, and I decided to leave everything, just focus on my mental health, which was connected to my financial problem. Should I just cut everything and focusing on looking for a job? I will instead be the best version of myself and choose to be a film chaplain. My experience is film related, and I will use film, art, music, and Buddhism to help you. A chaplain is like a spiritual superhero ready to lend a listening ear and offer a comfort and support to anyone in need of a little guidance and encouragement. I will pursue a challenging path on YouTube in English. It's your time to study English if you want to learn something for free. And I'm not looking for the best picture and award-winning video. I'm giving myself a chance to relearn and share an essential skill with you. It's a win-win. But I'd rather do it with everyone in the world in English. This is for someone seeking for a wonderful life after holidays. From knowing nothing, you will be able to create a year-long content. I hope this 7-day film guidance can help you. I will share everything from my day one since I was born to the present, and the mistake I have made will save you some time. Remember to forget everything that triggers you to create. You have to re-engineer your brain, and only you can do it by listening to your heart. Before time doesn't allow you to do it, you should get it done. For example, I haven't said anything meaningful out there for a while, and before one of us is not here, I have something to say. I must shout out to my brother, my mom, my dad. Doesn't matter where you are, I always feel love from you. Thank you for making me today. And from this moment on, everything will get better. Giving is the gift. The present or now is the gift. And this dolly can be the gift too. Get ready to raise the bar on filmmaking with Prexel wheels. On sale now for a special price at $395, normally $447, plus free shipping in 6 to 7 days. This Prexel wheel is perfect for a small camera that can do professional grade shot, and you can achieve with ease. An amazing deal is only available right here. Make sure to get yours before they are gone. Subscribe to me on YouTube. Just JUST OK. See you on another side. ถามเรื่องตำนานนานจนฉันเป็นตำนานคุยให้ทั่วกันแต่ยังคำว่าหันหูมาอีกที